Do you have some dental work that you are absolutely not looking forward to? Well, I got to tell you, me too. I have had a lot of dental work in my life, and a lot of it was pretty darn painful and traumatic. And so I had to get a new crown, and I was not looking forward to it. But I decided, you know what? I had read a lot of stories about people who are using these super patches to really help with the pain and inflammation and anxiety around the dental work. So I thought, I'm going to put it to the test. So I put on my Liberty patch, which is really good for improving recovery time, reducing inflammation, but most of all, it gives you what they call a neurological homeostasis, or just like a nervous system sort of upgrade. I figured my nervous system needed that. I then put on my peace patch just to keep me calm because when you get stressed out, everything tightens up and it makes it worse anyway. And the last one I used, oh, two more. One was freedom for the pain, freedom from pain. So I figured you can't go wrong with a freedom patch. And the last one I put on was defend because especially when somebody's working in my mouth and they're that close to my face, I want to make sure that my immune system stays strong. So in I walk to the dentist. And by the way, I have a great dentist. Thank you, Dr. Frisbee. He's very gentle. And they put me in the chair and, I'm calm now. I'm like really calm. I'm kind of chitty chatting up with the dental hygienist. It's all good. And then he goes to do the numbing shot. You guys know the numbing shot. Oh, I hate that. And he's always very gentle. But with all these patches, I was just relaxed. I barely felt this little prick. And then, of course, the numbing began. He started doing the work. And I swear to you, it was like a day at the park. Like we're listening to good music and I'm kind of humming along. And he's looking down and he's like, checking in. You okay? You okay? Now you're going to feel this. I didn't feel a darn thing, which is just blow away amazing. So then I'm like, okay, I leave happy, happy, happy. And I'm thinking, all right, well, as soon as this numbing stuff wears off, that's what I'm really going to see. You guys, the numbing wore off. And it was like I never had anything. Like there was no pain, no inflammation. I wasn't sore usually because I have this tiny little mouth and they're always trying to stretch me out. There was no pain, no inflammation. I'm just blown away. It's like I didn't have anything. And this morning I woke up, nothing. So if you are dreading getting some dental work, I'm telling you, you've got to use these patches. It was truly a completely different situation. So grab your patches. If you want the link, I'll have it below wherever this is posted. If not, just let me know and I'll get it to you. And you guys have a fabulous day.